Hi. Hey, hi. I'm so sorry I was late. I hope I wasn't too late. Oh, no problem at all. A situation came up. I just had to attend to that. Oh, is everything okay? It is now. It was so devastating that zucchini was over at home. How was I supposed to eat? That was the problem? Of course it is. How am I supposed to make dinner tonight? Oh, you learned cooking. That's amazing. Tell me more about it. Oh, yes. Something I did during the lockdown. I can now make baked broccoli, 20 types of salads.
Few moments later.
Divine. Wow, that's amazing. I'm just really happy we met after such a long time. I don't know what kept us waiting. I know, right? I feel like I have so much to tell you about, especially all this research about diets and foods that I have done. It's so enlightening. And after all that research, I finally decided that I'm going to follow keto diet along with a dash of flexitarian and dash diet. Wow, I would love to hear that, but let's order first. I'm really hungry. Yeah, of course. Where? Excuse me. Hello. I hope you're enjoying your evening here. How may I help you? So we need the menus. Thank you. Thank you. Are you ready to order? Yes, I would like to so many choices. I'll have a chocolate waffle and cheese fries. Yeah. Do you know how bad that is? No, the waffles have great reviews on Zomato. I have to try it. No, I mean for your body. What are you ordering? I would need some time. I'll let you know. Like I said, I'm on a diet, so it has to be something which fits in my diet. You can try the sandwiches. I'm avoiding bread. Hi, excuse me. I need the menu again. Thank you. How about the dish on page 2? No, it's too cheesy. It has zucchini. No way am I having so much of carbs just for zucchini. No, thank you. I don't know what to eat. Yeah, excuse me? Yes, ma'am. Would you like to order? Could you suggest me something that has no bread, no sugar, no oil, low on carbs, and also no meat, definitely, and a little bit healthier? Water. Yeah, I have some. Oh, wait, you don't even have to order it. I have some. I'll have the regular salad. Yeah. Okay. I am so disappointed in you. Do you know how much effort it takes to actually go on this diet journey? I would love to share my thoughts with you and probably even convince you to see the bright side of dieting. Let me tell you. So, there are basically in the trending zone, it's around like 20 different types of diets.
The unbearable hours later.
Keto, wholesome, 365, flexitarian, fruitarian, vegetabilitarian. It also has a bit of veganism. And then there's also Mediterranean diet. Oh, it sounds so delicious.
It'll really help you with fat loss. No, I don't mean that you're fat or something. Here are your orders, ma'am. Yeah, finally. This one is yours. Thank you. This is yours. Yeah. Enjoy your meal. If you need anything else, do let us know. Yes, please. Thank you. Let's dig in. Let's dig in. Yeah. This is some really amazing stuff. How's your salad? It is divine. It's related to work. I'm sorry, I have to take this. Yeah, sure, no problem at all. Hello? Yeah? Yes. What were you talking about? Yes, I read those research mails. Sorry about that. No problem at all. What? Did you eat my waffle? It's right there. No, there's a huge chunk missing from it. I just think you're imagining things. You know, eating too much sugar can cause that. Are you hungry? No. Why won't you just admit it? Are you accusing me of taking your waffle? I think you did. How dare you? Okay, wait. Take a bite. I can't take it. Okay. How is it? This is really divine. I thought so. I'm always right. Excuse me? Yes, ma'am. Can we have another plate of chocolate waffles? And cheese fries too? Sure. Yes, that too. Sure, ma'am. I'll get it right now. Now I'm gonna take a bite from your waffle. What? No, it is only fair. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button and do also share it with all your diet conscious friends who tell you what to eat and what not to eat. I know who I am going to share it with. Also make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of the uploads that I come up with. Oh, if you have any video suggestions or ideas, then fire away in the comment section below, because I have been in the writer's block for such a long time that I think it's better if I ask you guys what you would like me to make. And I will try to make a video on each of the video suggestions that you guys make. So what are you waiting for? And I will see you next time. Until then, this is Alpha Mira signing off. Peace.